Hope I only leave good vibes on your living room floor. It hurts so bad that I didn't when you asked for more. Your dad probably loves me more than he ever did now. Cause I finally got out. Yeah, we finally knocked down. Cause sometimes it's better that way. Gotta let it go so your heart don't break. Cause I love you. Yeah, baby, I love you. There's this one time here, what I'm trying to say. No, you might not feel quite the same way, but I love you. I tell you I love you. Why wait to fight? Give it a try, or I'll say goodbye while it's right. Can we save tears in your eyes? I'm making you cry. Why wait to hate? Can we save love? I fell in, I'm falling, I'm for you. I can't let you fall through the floor too. It's a gamble to take any more of you. It's a gamble to take more of you. Still in my mind sometimes, I must admit it. Like it's a crime on trial, I got acquitted. Me and you wasn't made, we wasn't fitted. Like it's a glove, I hate it to admit it. Cause obviously we go back, so I would be ruined then. Into the very arranged. Now you wanna ask for names. We can let this fruit go bad, saying things we can't take back. Into the very range. Say you feel the same. Why wait to fight? Give it a try, or I'll say goodbye while it's right. Can we save tears in your eyes? I'm watching you cry. Why wait to hate? Can we save love?